is Janice. I got a cold. I'm sorry. I sound horrible. And today's video is going to be a grocery haul. I spent $246 for 2 weeks, and hopefully this will last us for 2 weeks and I don't have to do a fill-in grocery haul because those things are expensive. Yeah, let's just say that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
Under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not.
All right, so this is the madness. We have wings. Finally found some wings. So I went ahead and picked up 2 bags. Guys, you want to grab the stuff as I do them, so you can put them in the freezer and stuff, and we can be done because I don't want to be out here all night. So we got 2 bags of wings for dinner this week, I think, because we haven't had wings in forever. And then we did this is the Purdue chicken thighs. So you can clear out half of organize that bottom freezer, like move all the lunch stuff to one side so that we can put all the meats on one side. That way we're not putting stuff on top of anything. All right, sorry, I had to give instructions. So we have Purdue chicken thighs. This is the only chicken thighs that I could find, and it was $6.51. The bags of chickens were $9.60 something a piece, so I bought 2. So that's like $20 in wings. Wings is expensive, even if you were to buy wings, like to order out wings, they're expensive. So, you know, you pay a pretty little penny to indulge, and that's just my thing. So to combat that heavy price, like, you know, splurging on one meal for the week, I just went a little cheaper. So we got $6.51 chicken thighs, and that's for one week. And then you can take, and then I got ground beef right here for the next week. I try not to put too much of one thing in 1 week. So I got the ground beef chuck, and this was on sale for $10.42. I don't know why. So I got that for 1 week. That's a lot of ground beef. And then we're going to do fish in between the tilapia fillet. This is 4 pounds, I believe. Yeah, 4 pounds for, this was what, $13 or $12? Was it you or Uncle? Uncle. Yeah, Uncle did that. All right, so this was $13. Not bad. Or was it more? I don't know. But it was expensive. Fish is expensive. I don't know. So that's what, 4 weeks? Did I do? Yeah, that's 4 days. That's 1 week. Because I only cook Monday through Thursday. And then for the following week, we have ground beef. There you go. You can take it. And then we have chicken thighs, again, for the following week. So that's either brown stew or curry. And then there's a new item on the menu. We're going to do cream spinach stuffed chicken breast. So that should be nice. And then I got whiting. This was Rob's idea. I'm not a fan of whiting because I feel like they're just like, I don't know. I've never cooked it. So that should be interesting. All right, moving on over. We have cauliflower, and I'm going to do cauliflower mashed potato because if you guys don't know, I am on keto. So I have a ton of mashed potatoes for the kids and everyone else. Jordan, why is your drawers on inside out backwards? Why am I even in your drawers situation? It's just in my face. I couldn't help but stare. I will edit that part out, but I'm just saying it's not on YouTube. I'm not that dumb. I'm just saying, why is his drawers inside out backwards? Okay, moving on. We have cauliflower. You continue, it's going to be in the video because I'm not editing out me talking. All right, so we have cauliflower, and I'm going to do cauliflower mashed potatoes. So that should be interesting. And Rob is, I don't know if Rob is doing keto, but I am. I have tomatoes for Rob. He picked these up. He wanted to eat these with mayo. I don't know. He got banana. I don't eat bananas. We have a ton of avocado. And guys, when you pick avocado, get them green. When you get them green, you leave them out for a few days, like 1 to 2 days. After 2 days, you put them in the refrigerator bin, like your crisper, and you leave it in there. When you want one, you take it out. Like say if you want an avocado tomorrow, you would take it out tonight, set it on your counter, and in the morning it'll be nice and ready and ripe, and your avocados will never go bad. So I got 2, 4, 6 avocado here, and that's my secret. No avocado have ever gone bad on me. And yeah, so this is chopped spinach for the chicken stuffed chicken breast. So I got 2 of these, I believe. I got 2 of those. It doesn't fit? Push it in. Okay. Alright, so I got Jason a chicken pot pie because I owe him money. So yeah, I got him one. And then I got Destiny one. They had the more expensive one for like $2.50, but these were $1. So yeah, you get one, Destiny get one. Spinach goes in the drawer. Those go in the fruit bin. Not fruit bin, but the vegetable bin to this side. We have some salad kits, Caesar. We have a green beans. We have Skinny Pop for the girls and I. No, this is Rob's. I'm not a fan of Skinny Pop. I just realized. I have chicken Vienna sausage. They only have 4. And on keto, I can have this because there's only 2 grams of carbs for the entire can. So I love these as a snack. I'll put these over salads. The possibilities are endless. And they only had 4, which I was sad because I need 8. I needed 8 for 2 weeks. So that's that. I got some fish steak. I love these too. I put them over my salad. So let me show you a typical salad for me. So I would get the tricolor coleslaw, and then I would put this over top of it, and then I would put a Vienna sausage. Boom! You don't even need dressing, because the sauce from that, bomb. Chicken. We got 2. Yes, you can put that away. We have chicken breast, fire roasted flavor. We have some boiled egg. This is for our dinner right now. And then we have some carved chicken breast. Rob picked that up. I got some lettuce salad. We're gonna eat that right now. And then he also picked up simply roasted. Baby, you realize you picked up 2 chicken breasts, right? We have some sharp cheddar. We have mild cheddar and Monterey Jack. Of course, sharp cheddar for me to snack on. I should have got more. I picked up Tostino pizza rolls. I also did 2 pizza. The girls are baking them right now for dinner because it's Saturday evening. Well, it's technically Saturday night. We have pizza rolls. These are Janelle's favorite. She eats these all the time. And let me tell y'all something. Every single time she burned her mouth on these. Every single time. It does not fail. This child will put it in her mouth and burn herself. And she's 18. Let's just be clear. She's 18. And every time she burned her mouth like a toddler. We have some eggs. We got white egg, 18 large white. She does it all the time. I sent her the meme. There's a whole meme just for her. And then we got her Cookie Crisp. This is Janelle's cereal. This is what she eats. Every single time Janelle gets cereal in this house. This is her 3rd bag of cereal. Every time the kids eat them out. And there's like 4 more bags of cereal in the pantry. They don't eat it. They just eat her cereal. So I'm constantly having to replace Janelle's cereal, which is like, why? So from now on, I'm going to get me 4 bags of these because every cereal that Janelle picks out every week, we're going to get the same bag for everyone because, yeah. We finally found Janelle's chocolate Rice Crisps. These are her favorite. So We got that for her. Then for Destiny, I got Destiny this bread for school. It only has 6 grams of net carbs. I don't eat bread. I don't mess with bread. Bread is not my friend. We got the original Boca. We love these. Robert and I love these. They're vegan. We have ramen noodle because Jason right here loves ramen. He's a lover of ramen. I don't know why. The things. I got some 10% benzoyl peroxide gel. Got burrito for Mr. Rob. Janelle got some Belvita cookies, honey chocolate chip, and then she got, this is yours, right? Oh, Destiny got Skinny Popped again. Skinny Pop popcorn again. Mr. Rob got caramel rice cakes, 2. He got 2. Where's the other one? He got 2. And then Mommy got fresh spinach because you know I can't afford to eat all horrible creamed spinach. And then I picked up carb balanced spinach herb. This has a total of 3 net carbs. So yes. And then I found this one. This one only has 1 gram more, and this one is the tomato basil, and I just wanted variety. Then we're gonna have taco night, so I just picked up some flour tortilla. Janelle, this is what she drinks for her coffee, blonde roast. She likes sparkling ice lemonade. This is lemon lime. This is Janelle's coffee creamer. So that's Miss Nelly. My favorite tomato sauce, we couldn't find it in Walmart. This is the only one we found randomly sitting on the shelf. We could not find label, nothing. So I just got one. Cream spinach again from Mr. Rob. Veggie tots. I'm not a fan of these because you only get where's the nutritionals? The nutrition facts on this. You only get six pieces, and there's 15 grams of carbohydrates in here. If you minus the fiber, that's 13. It is what it is. Rob likes them, so I got it for him. Well, he picked them up. More creamed spinach because he loves spinach that much. We got barbecue sauce for our wings. Mustard because Maddie goes through mustard. Like, she eats a bottle a month. That's how much she loves mustard. So I just picked her up another little one for 2 weeks. I'm pretty sure it's going to be done. I don't know why she likes mustard. She's the only one in here that eats mustard. You like mustard? Okay. Creamy spinach dip for my chicken breast dinner. And last but not least, fire roasted diced garlic tomatoes for my chicken breast thing. Finally, my island, it's clear. Okay, so thank you guys so much. I'm talking to these guys right here. They cleared my islands. I don't have to do nothing more than to go take off my wig. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button somewhere down here. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Piece by piece, that's how the little things get huge.